I ask if you help me. You say no, not a bumbo cleat ego. You mash up my life.
I don't care who want to like me. Straight up, you motherfucker bitches who be singing my song, saying I'm artist, stop singing my song. Go write one song, use up one pum pum. Cause the end of the day now, I got things that make me, and the ghetto people they make me. The goodies they make me. Not the shit for me. So stop blood clots, stop me song in my mouth. You understand? And go write your own lyrics and kiss my ass and a dirty bumble hole, Think I come from way from America to be friend with no female artists. Not kiss my blood clot. Look at dirty drunk for them. All them doing buy this a week, that buy that the week, fuck this a man, fuck that the man. Amari is not a part-time. Me and no friend. More than when me seen up on stage. The next big all this time, a pretty girl come out of Jamaica. Yeah, big up to Spice. Trevor turn that off the man, you always do that. Big up to Spice. May I wait for the day when me hear you say, Nico, you mash up my life, may I go say, well done, Spice. You hold it in too long. You don't know say me are your sister. You don't know say me are your comrade. You don't know say me is your partner in crime. In other words, may I say, you don't know that we are one. You know, say one person cannot run this world. And to tell you the truth, Spice, you never really run it. You circle it, but you never run it. I'm going to run it for you and show you here. Because you don't really know if I write song and you know sing song when man write that. But when you do give me the honor, I'm going to say yes. Yes, I am finally dear. You need to let go the bottom, my dear. You understand? It's time for everyone. You have work for do, me have work for do, and me not gonna make you stop me from do my work. You understand? You do black hypocrisy, which was fuckery. I'ma come back and me do the real black hypocrisy. You get what I mean? And also, cause the only reason why your black hypocrisy did take off is not because it is a good song, because it is trash. The reason that it took off is because you're black and you go paint yourself white for your day. You get me? And that is hypocrisy on its own. My black hypocrisy, go back people and listen to the words and you realize that I'm the true emblem of Jamaica and that I truly represent. Because you all got the platform and be joking your ass off. You understand? I could never get a platform and be joking your ass off. You understand? I could never get a platform that Spice and other people get and be buying up cars and showing off and you understand and go on fucking stupid show like Love and Hip Hop. You understand? Hell no. I would have a show that represent Jamaica. No, I wouldn't go on a show throwing bottles, you understand, and acting like fucking stupid Americans. Although I love Americans, I'm just talking about the itches. You understand? I would do a show in Jamaica, showing the Jamaican language, the Jamaican lifestyle, and everything else. You get what I'm saying? I should hardly get anything for me upon that stupid show. But she says she want hype. But if you want hype, you have to run with Jamaica. So, move over. Come on, my dear, move over. You understand? I got
Up on the street, don't have nothing to eat. I ask if you help me. You say no, not a bumbo cleat ego. You mash up my life. You mash up my life.
Nico, you mash up my life. You mash up my life. You mash up my life. Nico, you mash up my life. You mash up my life. You mash up my life. Mash it up, 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 mash it up.